Alright, the main occurrence issue at the plant is concerning the faulty of the equipment and the worsened condition of the equipment itself. Okay, the most concerning was the separator unit, in which the separator unit has its working condition, whereby the temperature reader or the thermostat was unable to work properly and the indicator itself is not efficient. So this is a severe hazardous operating condition which the oil drum is being only half filled, so it does not pose any threat to the operator because of the issue of the temperature is being unable to be measured properly. So in addition, one of the four vertical heater in the main boiler, which is in the 10 bar, is currently working falsely because of its being unable to operate efficiently. This poses a serious matter as if an equipment is unable to function properly, that said equipment pose a hazardous working condition and will also lead to the production being halted. And another issue regarding the plant is the compressor, which is an air leak or alright. The main occurrence issue at the plant is concerning the faulty of the equipment and the worsened condition of the equipment itself. Okay. The most concerning was the separator unit, which the separator unit hazardous working condition whereby the temperature reader was unable to operate efficiently and the indicator itself was not functioning properly. So this is a severe hazardous operating condition which leads the oil drum to be only half filled so that it does not pose any threat to the operator because of the temperature was unable to be measured properly. So the issue regarding the equipment itself is regarding the So in addition to that, one of the four vertical heater in the main boiler, which is the 10 bar, is currently working falsely. It is unable to work efficiently. So this is a serious matter as an equipment is unable to function properly. That said equipment might pose a hazardous condition and also it will halt the production process. So another concerning issue regarding the plant is the compressor, which is there is an air leak and the insufficient pressurization or airflow, whereby the compressor might fail to start up or stop running as prompted. So factors that contributes to the air leakage is leakage at the connection. This can be resolved by troubleshooting the compressor, and most of the time the compressor itself is leaking. So this is done by shutting down the compressor at full charge and monitoring if there's any changes in the pressure gauge. And as the compressor is deactivated, the compressor itself might even automatically restart to counter the situation. So to pinpoint the source of the leakage, soap is applied to the connection, including the couplers and the pressure switch. So the technician already have laid down the maintenance plan chronology, whereby they have present with the preventive method, but the lack of funding for maintenance from the management is the main contributors of the faulty of the machineries. So because of this, the technician has to preserve a decade worth of machinery to work with. So these antiques machine have some or even most part of them to be replaced or even as a whole. So the lack of funding have led to the negligence towards the instrumentation of the plant itself. So the technician already have took their own initiative in maintaining the well-being of the machinery by crafting their own probe and etc. to fix the instrumentation. So a lack of proper maintaining of the machine has reduced the life cycle of the said machineries. So hence the issues that they are currently be having. So this in return has caused a disruption to the student to operate the machine because the machine have been left to unattended for maintenance. So it might not cause so much damage to the uni, because it's a university after all. So if it's merely a real life situation, it will cost millions of ringgit to the company, because first thing first, the production line have been stopped, and there's a disruption to the production line itself, because the machinery is not working properly, and this is a severe consequences of unattended machinery left unmaintained properly.
Kita tak dapat actual temperature sebab dia punya heating tu bahagian tepi je kat sini. Heat dia. Okay? Sebab kita tak tahu apa dia punya actual temperature, lepas tu dah dapat idea tu. Lepas saya jumpa dengan satu supplier, dia minta buat tu macam temperature probe. Temperature probe pada sini, okay? Sampai ke bawah ni. Sampai sini lah. Maknanya kalau kita buat dalam